It is about, let's see what time it is, 7:22 in the morning here in Liberia, Costa Rica. Today I am going to do another road trip. I love being mobile. But today I'm going to Upala, I think that's how they pronounce it. And I'm going to be seeing the cathedral, El Santuario. I'm probably saying that wrong as well. Basically, it's another waterfall that looks like a cathedral, so I'm really excited. The drive should be about an hour and a half. I'm hoping to get there sooner, just so I can absolutely be on time. But yeah, stay tuned, take a look. everybody. Today it is a lovely day here in Hako as usual. The sun is shining and the weather is just right. It is about 8:21. So I just wanted to go over a few things on this drive. I'm obviously back from my drive. I left from Liberia and I went to Upala to see El Santuario Waterfall Cathedral. It was an exhilarating experience. I would do it again 105 times over. I did want to talk about the drive a little bit. I know you just watched portion of it. I just wanted to go over just a few things as like four-wheel drive. That's one of the things that I was definitely regretting on the way up there. Like, maybe it would have been a better idea to get this four-wheel drive. I know there's a lot of places you can get to where the four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive is not necessary, but if it were me, again, I would definitely get four-wheel drive. So I wanted to go ahead and recommend that. I also don't know if you saw that it did start raining, like pretty bad too. It actually got a little scary. There were a couple of times I wanted to even turn around, but I thought to myself, not today, because I had to get to this waterfall. I ended up making it safely. I ended up seeing more people out there who had the same kind of car that I had. It was a rental, literally the same car, and even smaller cars that made it to the destination. They seemed like they didn't have a problem. I actually, if you saw in the video, ended up following a tour bus for a lot of the ways, but it was treacherous. So if you're not used to driving in the rain, you're not used to driving in unpaved roads or rock roads, you know, I would definitely recommend maybe getting a tour and not doing it alone. You know, this is pretty rambunctious for me. It's usually I'll get a tour, but I got the rental car and I thought, let me do it because I'm so independent. But it was definitely worthwhile. I'll say that for sure. The roads, like once it started raining, I had to go really slow. I was going like 20 to 30 kilometers per hour on like 60 kilometer miles per hour, kilometers per hour on the road. So it took me a lot longer than I intended. It took me around about 2 hours, when if the weather is good and everything's great, then it should only take about an hour and 10 minutes. I got there in about 2. So definitely be safe, you know, if you are thinking of renting a car. I didn't have any damage on my car. There was some times where I was gonna hit some crazy speed bumps, you know, and as you can see in the videos, there's a lot of swerving, there's a lot of maneuvering around these potholes because they are real. I didn't think they were gonna be as bad as they were, but there are some out there that were pretty, like you could jump in them if you really wanted to. You could also see there's a lot of times when the road kind of turned into a one street, so you'll have to kind of yield to somebody who's oncoming traffic and then cross. That normally happens on like a lot of bridges, and you know, so it's definitely something you want to make sure that you're comfortable doing before doing it. I kind of just did it on a whim. Would I do it again? Absolutely. But if it was my first time ever, I would definitely rethink my situation. So yep, I just wanted to go over a few things. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that if you are planning to drive in Costa Rica, you stay safe and you make it to all your destinations. Have a good day. Take this drive. Oh, look, a hummingbird. Yeah, he's pretty cute, but yeah, definitely.